Good afternoon. So, we're here at the countryside of Benguet. So, may pupuntahan lang kami sa kabilang bundok. We're going to visit my grandmother. So, here we are. Ito yung view. Nasa top of the mountain to. So, maganda yung view niya. And I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you the highest point. I think in Benguet. So, there you are. Doon sa pinakagitna na yan. Sa bandang dyan, yun yung highest point. Time check, 3 p.m. to na po and nag-start na siyang mag-fog. So, yun lang. They have potatoes here. So, yung tanim nila ngayon is potatoes since, diba? Potato. And, yan. Umakit pa kami sa second floor na yun. Pa ikot-ikot na, paakit sa rooftop para makuha yung view. And, moving on. Wala yung English. Moving on, we're going to the neighboring barangay. Since maliligo kami dun sa hot spring, diba? Yung bathroom namin is sa kabilang barangay. Ngayon ko lang na-realize na yung voiceover ko, ngayon ko lang na-realize yung shape ng cloud. Since nung nasa biyahe kami, parang tinik ko lang yung video and I just realized na, iba pa, may shape pala yung yung clouds. And medyo excuse me, medyo mga siguro 15 to 20 minutes going down. I'm not sure. Hindi ako magaling mag-estimate ng time, but around that, mga 10 to 20 minutes go from the mountain top to the bottom part. And time check, next day, 4:30 a.m. Nag-start naman kaming bumiyahe. Dapat 4 yung alis namin pero medyo na late. So, yun lang. And along the road nakita namin yung sunrise. Tapos na-realize ko, ngayon ko lang pala nakita yung view ng sunrise na ganito since nung nasa college kami, we're always planning to go on top of the mountain here in La Trinidad kasi to watch the sunrise, pero hanggang plano na lang, drawing na lang yun, tapos na yung mga nagkanya-kanya na kami ng buhay. So ngayon ko lang nakita yung sunrise actually, and maganda pala siya. Yung kung yung bundok na shape na yan, yun yung highest point pa rin siya since the opposite ng Bontoc, La Trinidad Bontoc Road is opposite kung saan yung saan kami nakatira. So kuhang-kuha siya. Nag-stop over muna kami for comfort room time. CR time. Tapos ito yung view nila. Ito yung sikat na half tunnel road. And yun, di ba? Sobrang taas. And marami siyang puno. O, di ba? Sobrang initan yan. And there. Siguro sa mga bumibiyahe na daanan na to. And going back. Tapos nag-stop over kami for food. Pero kape lang yung nakuhanan ko. And here we are. We attended a wedding. Wedding of one of our relatives. I'm not sure if close or distant. But basta relatives. Yun.